Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see 10 lines essay on Christmas. 1. Christmas is a very famous festival of Christians. 2. It is celebrated because Lord Jesus was born on this day. 3. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December every year. 4. People decorate Christmas trees with lights and ornaments. 5. Churches hold special prayers and events on Christmas. 6. Children wait for Santa Claus as they believe that he brings them gifts. 7. The festival spreads love, joy, and kindness everywhere. 8. Families gather to enjoy delicious meals and sweets. 9. People give gifts and cards to their family and friends. 10th. Christmas is a time of happiness and togetherness. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.